This week is Volunteers Week, and I wanted to take the opportunity to say thank you so much to each and every one of you, the volunteers in our community. Obviously, just behind us here, so many people were affected in the terrible floods in February, and we saw the community at its best with so many people volunteering to help their neighbours, help people they'd never met before. I think that's something we need to celebrate this week, as well as, of course, all the volunteering that goes on all year round, from our Lower Graig Wen and Upper Graig Wen neighbourhood watches to the Friends of Ynys Angharad Park and everything else. And obviously there's a whole army of volunteers at the moment supporting neighbours and friends and people in their streets with the COVID-19 restrictions. So thank you so much to each and every one of you. Diolch o galon i chi gyd.